Laser Eye Lift targets the causes of bags and puffiness. To use Laser Eye Lift, apply 1 pump from our precision applicator under each eye. Distribute the serum in small dots under each eye. Use my precision applicator to massage the serum into your skin under your eyes, going in outward strokes. I made our unique precision applicator to fit perfectly in the crease under your eye, so you applied the right amount of product hygienically, without having to use your fingers. If you do use your fingers, always use your 4th finger because it's the most delicate. When you apply Laser Eye Lift, as the serum absorbs, you can feel a slight warm sensation that feels pretty invigorating. It comes from the ginseng, and like any botanical, some days you may sense it more than others. You should use Laser Eye Lift in the morning and at night. Even though you'll see immediate results in the morning, it's still important to reapply Laser Eye Lift at night so it can strengthen your skin as you sleep. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.